To sell calls on Ethernet, start by logging into your account and accessing your Etrade brokerage account via the website or mobile application. Ensure your account is approved for option trading, and if not, apply for the necessary permissions. Typically, trading levels are assigned based on experience. Next, choose a stock from your portfolio that you own at least 100 shares of. As each option contract covers 100 shares, navigate to the trade section and look for the option trading interface, which may be listed under Trade Options. Select the stock you want to sell the call on. Choose the Sell to Open option, and input the expiration date and strike price of the call option you want to sell. The strike price should be higher than the current stock price if your goal is to generate premium income without selling your shares. Confirm all the details, including the premium you will receive and any associated fees. And once satisfied, submit the order. This process allows you to sell covered calls in Etrade. And by following these steps, you can generate premium income from your existing stock holdings.